so this is the homework exercise that you had. I don't know what number it was. So anyway, but here's the homework exercise you had. All right, so they did not tell us the index you were supposed to use, so I calculated it. And I'm assuming that that's how they would do it. All right, so the calculation for that was that current year, which in 2022 is the 231, divided by the base year, which is the 220. Okay, at base year cost. And then it's that same thing the whole way down here. Ending inventory at year-end cost divided by ending inventory at the base year cost. So I think they kind of did a little work for us, but anyway, I think they already deflated it, and that's how they got these, but that's what I'm going with. All right, so at 12/31/2021, that's when they actually adopted it. So this one's really just going to copy straight across, but it's the 200,000 that they started the year off with. That was this one. And you're going to divide. All right, so divided by, oh, I can't actually put that, sorry. I'll do space and then divide. And I guess I could insert the divide thing, but I don't want to go through all that. All right. By the 1.05, I'm sorry, it's the base year, it's just 1. All right, so this is still 2021. I added that little extra thing in. They called it base, okay? So you can do that as well if you want to. It doesn't really matter to me. So this is still just the 200. It just continues on for that first time. Oops, sorry. That's times. Okay. Then in 2022, I also kind of like to draw a line under these because you have to keep each layer separate. All right, so in 22 you start off with the 231. Make all these dollars. And then you're dividing by the 1.15. I don't know about that. Oh, I'm sorry, 1.05. I put in the wrong number. That was the odd number. All right, so it's 2022 now, and we had 200, now we have 220, so we're adding a layer. But before you add the layer, you have to bring this 200 down. So the 200 down comes down first, so you have the base, sorry. You have the base of 200. Then we have 2022, and we're adding 20. All right, that's the 200, and the difference between the 220 and the 200. All right, we're adding 20. It's times 1.05, inflating it back up. All right, so my layers here are the 200. Let me do this one. All right, and then you add these two up, and that gets you what you have at the end of 2022. We have 12/31, 2023. 2023 is $2.99. Our indices is 1.15. So $2.99 divided by 1.15. Okay, so our base was 200. And in 2022, we added 20. So we had 220. Now we have 260, so we need to add another 40. So that adds up to the 260. Put their indices back in, multiply across. Oh, hello, I don't know what I did there. There, looks better. Okay, I changed my table a little bit because I couldn't figure out why I had an extra column here. Well, because I was writing the answer under the equal sign instead of under this. So this is just supposed to be the equal sign. There. All right. So then add these up. And that's what you have at the end of 2023. All right, then we're doing 24. All right, 24 is 300 divided by 1.2. Okay, so now look, it decreased by 10. So I'm not adding a layer for 2024. I'm actually going to take out of the layer for 2023. So my base is still going to be 200. 2022 will stay at 20. And then my 2023 will go from 40, and I'll take 10 out, and it'll go to 30. All right, my indices stay the same. And I add it up. And that's it. I'm going to make some of these look like dollars. Okay. I think this is what they had in yellow.